Hi everyone, welcome back to school online. I hope that you're all well. I hope that you're ready for today's lesson. We're going to start with chapter 1, obviously. We're going to speak all about whole numbers. We don't even know if you guys still remember, if you know what numbers look like. So we're going to make sure that you can still do that since your holiday was super long. It's time to snap out of it. Let's get working. In today's lesson, we're going to try and do place values. We're not going to try, we're going to. We're definitely doing it. We're doing place values. You have to know all the place values for numbers all the way from 1 all the way to 1,000,000. We're going to read and write numbers. I know you can do that, but we're going to go further. We're making bigger numbers than we did in grade 5. So, reading and writing numbers and knowing the value of each digit, depending on where it is in the number, in the full number. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to compare values and order values at a later stage. Not today, maybe next time. Okay, so let's keep moving. Before we start, if you have your textbooks, it'll be nice for you to look through them. If you don't, that's okay. Today's lesson will just be us practicing together. So if you do want to though, you can have your textbook with you. If you don't have it, get some paper, some pens, some highlighters, some colors, make your work beautiful so that it makes you want to learn. Okay. Right. So as I said before, we're speaking about whole numbers, and that means that we're not going to have any decimal points. So all of this here is gone. We're not going to speak about tens or hundreds or anything. We're starting at ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, all the way to just 1,000,000. Not millions, just 1,000,000. Okay. So let's see. Again, no decimal places. Okay. Only whole numbers. One phone. One teacher. Okay. Just a whole number. Okay, here we go. So I've got a number over here in pink, as you can see. And I want everybody to look at the number and see if you can say it in English. See if you can say that number in English. If you can't, well, we get to it. We'll get to it. I'll tell you. It's 125,674. Okay. What digit is in the ones place? What digit is in the ones place? Okay, so put all these digits into this problem. Let's go. Yeah, let's do that. So the number 4 is in the ones place. We all know that's baby stuff. The 7 is in the tens place. There are 7 tens. The number 7 stands for 7 tens. The value of the 7 is 70 because it's in the tens column. The 6 is in the hundreds column. Okay, over there, the 6 is in the hundreds column, and that means that the 6 stands for 6 hundredths. Okay, so there we go. And therefore, the value of the number 6 is 600. What digit do we see in the thousands column? Okay, this one is super easy. All of this should be easy for you, at least up to 1,000, because that was grade 4 work, so you know, you should at least know these ones. The digit 5 is in the thousands column and stands for 5,000. And therefore, it has a value of 5,000. In the 10,000s column, okay, so that follows the thousands. So after the thousands, we have 10,000s. In the 10,000s column, we have the digit number 2. The 2 stands for 2 10,000s. And therefore the value is 20,000. Okay. And then the last one over here in our 100,000s column, we have a number 1. That's only one 100,000. It stands for only one 100,000, and therefore the value is 100,000. Okay. So let's have a look at other numbers, other 6-digit numbers. Okay, so let's go back to the drawing board. Let's try and think of numbers that we could use it in this case. So we are going to look at 6-digit numbers. I'm just going to make something up very, very quickly. These are the only numbers I can think of. Okay. And oops, let's change that into an 8. There we go. Okay, now all of our digits are different. It's a 6-digit number. It looks very bad. My handwriting is not okay, but bear with me. Okay. First of all, everybody knows in the ones column over here, we have the number 1. That's 1 1, and the value is 1. Okay. Over here we have 8 tens. Okay, let's add some for 1. Then we'll have tens over there, and then in here we have hundreds. We all know this. Ooh, very bad handwriting. Okay. Then over here we have thousands. Okay, so we're gonna do TH for thousands. What do we have here? We have 10,000, so we're going to go 10, if I can do it. There we go, 10,000. And 100. Ooh, 100,000. There we go. Okay. So, very, very quickly, let's just go through this. There's 1 1, and the value is 1. There's 8 tens, and the value is 80. There are 4 hundreds. That's 100, 200, 300, 400. That's 4 hundreds. Okay. How many thousands do we have? We have 3 thousands. That's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. We have 3 thousands. Okay. What is the value of the 5? The 5 is in the 10,000s column. There's 5 10,000s. It's going to take me forever. 10,000. 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, and then so on. We have 200,000, 100,000, 200,000. Okay, that's our number. If you want to, we can do another one, but I think at this stage everyone should be okay. You know your place values. The only new place value that you should know or learn in grade 6 is the 100,000s column. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Okay, we're moving along. We want some more detail. So we're back to the same number, 125,674. That's our number. Okay, I'm going to tell you to pause the screen. Take your piece of paper that you got ready and fill in the blanks. Okay, it should be easy. Everybody should have at least 4 out of 4. Okay, so in the number 125,674, the digit in the what place has a value of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do we have a value of 4? Which place value? Okay, if you can't spell, if you don't know, go fetch your grade, go use your grade 5 textbook. Okay, it's the same. The only new place is the 100,000s. Okay. So let's move on. B, the digit in the hundreds place has a value of what? So the digit in the hundreds place, what is the value of that number? That's 6 100s. Okay, so that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. The digit in the stands for 2 10,000s. So where is it? Where's this digit? Which place is it in? Okay, so as you can see over here, I want the place, the name of the place. And then D is expanded notation. Okay, breaking it up, and we'll find the total value. That's super easy. That's for kindergarten. Okay, let's go on. Right. Now, if some of you have been lazy and you've not gotten your pen and your highlighters and everything, I'm going to give you a second chance. You have a second chance to get everything you need, because now it's time to practice. No help from the teacher, because this is so easy, guys. So let's just move on. Look at this. We're going to do it timed. I'm going to use my phone. I'm going to give you 30 seconds for every time, for every question, okay? And all you need to do is say if it's yes or no. Okay, so I'm testing your place values here. I'll ask you a question like, is there a 5 in the tens column? Okay, and you look at the number and you say, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Do you know what? 30 seconds is too long. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. That's it. You could cheat by pausing the video. I shouldn't tell you that, but I'm giving you 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. In the number 175,824, is there a 5 in the thousands place? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Next question. In the number 175,824, there's an 8 in the 10,000s column. The 10,000s column. Ooh, that should have been orange. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Next number. Same number. The value of the digit in the 100,000s place is 100,000. Yes or no? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're absolutely done. You should have been done. It was easy. It was 3 questions and it was just yes or no. I hope that I'm not going too fast. Hope everyone's still following me. Okay, let's go through the answers. Let's see. So, this is my number over here, 175,824. Okay, is there a 5 in the thousands? Where's the thousands? We know that's the 1,000. Yes or no? Yes. Next question. Same number, just change the color to confuse you. 8 in the 10,000s place. Is that the 10,000s? No. Nope. Nope, nope. Answer is no. Same number, different color. The value of the digit in the 100,000s. In the 100,000s has a value of 100,000. Is that true or false? That's true. That is yes. The answer is yes. It is 100% 100,000. There we go. Okay. So now we've seen all these big numbers, and some of us are still confused. We don't know how to say the numbers. We don't know how to read them. We don't know how to write them. This is the rule. Okay? I hope you're ready. Add and after 100. So add means put, okay? Plus. Every time you see 3 numbers, put and after 100. 102. 135. 135,000. Okay, we're just putting an after every 100. Okay, so the rule, add and after 100. Write that down on your piece of paper so you can remember. Add 100. After 100, you say and. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Let's see if we can, okay, so cover this. Imagine that this number is gone. Okay, you can't see it at all. We only see 567. So that's a number. There we go. 567. Let's look at this number over here. On the opposite side, we've got 8, 2, 4, 824. It's the same no matter how big the numbers get. 824,567. Okay. So, once again, just to be sure, this number over here, yeah, that's 507. Okay. Even if it's different, ugh, why have I done that? Why have I done, there we go. 614 on the other side. So if we were to say this as one full number, a 6-digit number, that would be 614,507. Okay, so I don't think this is that hard. I think maybe writing it down, and I think it's easy to remember, but sometimes it's so easy to forget as well. So just keep it in mind. Okay, here's the next number. I want you to try and say it. So say this number. I'm going to say it. And if we said the same thing, then I hope, well, give yourself a big hug because you did a great job. Okay, here we go. This number is 400 and, why have I done that? Right. Okay, there we go. Again, go back. 414,000. 484. Okay, so if you got that number, very, very, very well done. Okay. Right, I'm giving you question 2, 3, and 4. This is a timed one. I'm going to give you 30 seconds because you need to write it out. You can pause the video if you need more time, but let's see what we can do. Okay, here we go. Look at this number. It's a 6-digit number. Can you write the number? Remember, after 100, add and. Okay, there you go. That's your first number. 30 seconds. Okay, next number. $20 seconds left. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Time's up. Next number. This is the last number. Okay, so let's see how fast you guys can write that. I stopped counting for this last one, so I'm just going to give you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Do you have the same answer as I do? Actually, I really hope that you guys don't cheat, okay? Please don't cheat. 215,000. 983. It shouldn't be 4, it should be 3. That's a mistake. That's a mistake. That number is not 4. Okay, next one. 934,000. And I put a comma because you breathe after that. You say 210. Okay, you know that number's 10. Last one. 589,411. Okay. Right, so every single time we are going to need to practice. Practice makes perfect, as we always say. Don't forget. The more you practice, the better you are. Even if it's not perfect, it'll be perfect one day. Okay, let's see. This is an activity for you to do. That number 1 over there shouldn't be there, so just ignore that. You need to write the value of each underlined digit. So, this number 9 is in the 10,000s column. It stands for 9 10,000s. That means the value is 90,000. That's 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. 50,000, 60,000, 70, and so on all the way up to 9. Up to 9. Okay. I'm going to give you a few minutes. Please pause, actually just pause the video and write out these answers. What is the value of each underlined digit? Okay. Once you've done with all those questions all the way from A to H, can you try to do I to L? In the number above, we have 456,802. In that number, which digit has the greatest value? Which digit has the biggest value? Do you think it's the 2? Do you think it's the 0 in the 10th place? Which one do you think is the greatest, the biggest? In the number above, which digit is the least? That's the opposite of the greatest. What's the smallest value in this number? Okay. What is the value of the digit in the thousands place? What is the value of the digit in the thousands place of the above number? In the thousand, where's the thousand? Where? And what digit is it? What is the value? Okay. What is the value of the digit in the 10,000s place? Okay, so those two, you just write those answers out. And when you're done, these are the answers. I hope that everybody got them correctly. So just pause, tick your work, make sure you got it all right, check it, and then these last 4. And that's all we're gonna do for today. I think I've gone way too long. I hope that this lesson was interesting. I hope you guys are okay. I hope everything's fine. I'll give you some homework next time if you don't have your books this time. Just read through your book if you want them. You can read through page number 4 in your textbook. Or you could do that on your own. It's up to you. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Keep well. Goodbye.